Well, first, for those that don't know me, I'm a goat farmer, and if I can use ClickFunnels, you can use ClickFunnels. And the thing that I guess, like, I just want all of you who are on the fence to just think about is, number one, like, Russell gives you 6 months of figuring out. So like Trey, it took him like 10 funnels to do it. So you have 6 months to just figure this crap out. And guess what? It's not going to work like right away, maybe like it didn't for Trey, but it was worth it, right?
Oh gosh. Yeah,
So
absolutely.
that's number one. And then number two, like, dude, it has changed my life in so many ways, because like I have gone from being like a no-name just goat farmer for real to becoming like, I flew out to work with Trey. I flew out to work with Russell. We found out that amazing statistic when I was out there. And I'm now connected to these amazing people. So even if it's not software, like it's a lifestyle, it's a group of amazing people that you're really buying into. That's what it really is.
That's so awesome. Well, very cool. Well, thanks you guys for sharing your story. We got a lot of people, but I want